from AliExpress. For $5 you can get this gadget. And what is it? It's ANENG new M107 or M108 Mini Digital Multimeter 4000 counts non-contact AC/DC current voltage tester resistance capacitance meter. I'm gonna check that capacitance meter, and if you are a new buyer you can get it for $3 and the regular price is $5. Link will be in description below. This is the cheapest digital multimeter from AliExpress, I think. And I got it. ANENG Digital Multimeter. The model is M107 red. The probes, user manual. Looking good. Okay. Electrical specifications. It says that that can measure continuity, non-contact voltage diode, DC and AC voltage, maximum 500 volts, resistance maximum 20 mega ohms, AC/DC current. Oh, it can measure AC and DC current, maximum 2 amperes. Capacitance, it can measure 4 microfarads, maximum, that is good. Frequency, I'm gonna check that, will it measure frequency? It says 4 megahertz. Okay, and take a look, this awesome piece of technology, a cheap one, $5. Let's first install 2 AAA batteries. It says that need 2 AAA batteries. Yes, 2 AAA batteries. All right. It have a holder, so you can stand like this. Okay, and let's turn on. What? It's auto range. Non-contact voltage, auto, and this is for measuring amperes. But you can choose manually one of the functions for voltage resistance. It's auto range. Oh, light, white light display. Just to turn off the lights so you can see better. Good. And it have a front small light also. And this black thing is for non-contact voltage. Okay. Let's measure something. My latest adjustable power supply, portable. It's set on 9 volts. Let's measure that. 9.9 040104. Correct. Let's change that to, let's say, 14.14 volts. 14.15, 16. Just to turn on the light. It's pretty good. Okay, and let's, because it's auto, I'm gonna test the continuity. 0.000. Awesome. It's fast and decent for the money, of course. $5. Alright. Okay, now I'm gonna test the amperes. I need to change to this probe. And remember, 2 amperes maximum for this little thing. Okay, I'm gonna set this to 12 volts. Okay. Here I have a bulb. One goes here. The probe. I'm gonna test it. Need to switch to amps. Okay. One amp, because it's pulling the limiter. Okay, I'm gonna increase to 2 amperes now, and let's try again. Alright, it says on the power supply 1.61 amps and on the multimeter 1.621. It's pretty close. Working fine. And it's measuring. Right. Good. Change to volts. Auto. Whoa. Let's measure this battery. 4 volts. Great. It's small and you can carry it in your hand very easy. Okay. Next test. Non-contact voltage. Here I have a live AC wire. Indicates 2 lines and maximum. Can you hear it? One line, 2, 3, 4. Maximum. Alright. I like it for the money. Okay, let's test a capacitor. It's reading a resistance. Oh, this. It doesn't have capacitance meter. Maybe that was the other model, M108. And you can change it to that function. Nothing to worry. It's great and small with the red color. It's okay. Okay, that was all for today's video. Presentation of this, very cheap, but maybe practical and useful tool for the money. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. Link in description below if you wanted to check. See ya!